I tell you that today you can have 5 assistants who are specialized in the areas you want and who are ready to serve you 24 bar 7, you will be able to achieve phenomenal productivity and also achieve the results you want. Now, if you say yes, and here's the good thing, these assistants are available for you right now, and these are the AI assistants. I'm sure you have heard about the AI and ChatGPT and many things, but if you're not using AI to power your business growth and not seeing the results, that means that you're not using AI fully. And in my upcoming webinar, where I'm going to show you exactly how AI as a secret weapon will make your business growth simple. I'm Prashant Ji. I'm a partner with Growth Aspire. I've been in business and technology for more than 20 plus years, and I have founded multiple startups. And also, I've been helping many businesses and leaders on how to make their sales growth simple using right set of tools and technology. Now, over the last 6 months, I have helped many businesses and leaders to leverage AI, and which has helped them to become massive productive and amplify their sales growth compared to whatever the traditional means they were doing. Now, the secret of AI is relies on how you're going to use AI for especially business growth. And this is where many people are not able to do this. And in my upcoming webinar, I'm going to show you exactly that. In this 90 minutes workshop, I will show you, I have condensed everything on the right set of principles, strategies, and success required so that you can start AI-fying your own business, amplify your sales growth. So click the link below and join now and start discovering how AI can power and leverage these assistants as a AI as a guru, AI as a mentor in multiple ways, and start seeing your improvements in productivity. And I will see you in the workshop.